Khosi fans bafethu today's performance after le Sunday madoda bafethu ngiyazi nizothi le bhakani yayini hayi bafethu but asikhulumeni iqiniso madoda ngiyanicela asibe honest. You guys gave everything that you wanted kule game ya Sunday, and you guys have been in an unbeaten run until namhlanje madoda, and namhlanje everyone was looking forward of Chiefs hammering Siwelele. What happened bafethu? Niyayifuna le number 3 ngoba ngiyazi ngithi ama-fan ngiyazi nizokhomenta lapha lethi nangu Sifiso inini. No madoda silwi, ngiyazibuzela mina ukuthi nisiphazamisile nyana lapha ya Sunday, but namhlanje Siwelele yini madoda choose ama game or senzeni sifake wonke ama team endlala nawo, sifake ijezi le Pirates khona nizoba naleyo effort leyo nayifuna madoda, because ngathi nalethi number 3 yenu le niyifunayo nithi nifuna ukudlala ikhefu, unless niyazi okay singaningenzela ifavor ngithi ukuthi maybe siwine ileague, yabo sizoyiwina ileague. iSundowns nayo angithi nesport lapha ya bese niyangena nizongena ngale ndlela madoda, but madoda atawuyeza kule number 3 position because of benifuna nithi ngama calculation wenu, abanye ama fans benza ama calculation, but if Pirates drops there, Sundowns drops there, but yini drop ayo. So manje le number 3 ngathi nizohlala ku number 4 madoda, because anikho na ku Nedbank madoda manje iCape Sport ngathi izoba nezinto eziningi kodwa atawuyeza lapha madoda. So after that performance madoda, today's performance I don't think was much to say, but we saw maybe energy ni khipe yonke Sunday asazi madoda, but inenaziyo madoda mnandi.